24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. He, she. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Students often have difficulty with the he, she pronouns. Some of them call everyone he or everyone she despite of their gender. Learning objectives. Students should be able to distinguish between he and she correctly. Use these words in their daily conversation. Recall. Start by just asking the students, is that a boy or a girl? While looking at pictures or pointing out real objects. Keep practicing this until a child can accurately tell you boy or girl when you ask. Ask about their family members, how many sisters or brothers he or she has. Introduction. Tell the students that we use he and she in phrases. Do it by placing two pictures in front of class of a boy and a girl doing something. Then ask, who is running? And help them answer. He is or she is. For example, use a picture of a boy riding his bike and a girl clapping. Then ask the students, who is cycling? Who is clapping? Read. Explain that we use he to point out a male, boy, or a man and use she to point out a female, girl, or a woman. Recognition. Cut pictures of boys and girls from different magazines, paste these pictures on a chart, and ask the students to tell he or she correctly. Review and writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.